Hi everybody, Paul here again. This is a couch that we've had for over 15 years. We still really like the couch, and the outside of the couch is still in really good condition. However, the couch was no longer comfortable to sit on because the bottom seat cushions had broken down and it no longer gave us any support. So if you find yourself in the same situation, before getting rid of your couch and buying a new one, you might want to consider replacing the seat cushion inserts like we did.
The way I did this was I did a lot of research online about seat cushion inserts. What I basically learned was a lot of seat cushion inserts typically have a 1.8 pound density. This typically has a 3-year lifespan. What I also learned was the higher the density, the longer the lifespan of the seat cushion insert. After looking online at a lot of different seat cushion insert manufacturers, I finally ordered just one to see what it was like. This is what I ended up buying, Lux Foam High Quality. This has a 2.8 pound density. This typically has a 16-year lifespan. It was also suggested that I have it Dacron wrapped for extra comfort, so I did. I custom ordered this online to my specified length, width, and height, and 1 week later it was delivered to my home.
The outside of our seat cushion covers measured 23 inches by 23 inches by 5.5 inches. So I ordered the new seat cushion insert to be 24 inches by 24 inches by 6 inches, and it fit in really nice. The seat cushion on the left has the new seat cushion insert. We could hardly believe it, but when we sat on it, it felt like we were sitting on a brand new couch. We were so impressed that we immediately ordered 2 more seat cushion inserts, which we received 1 week later. Here's the other 2 seat cushion inserts that came. I'm really impressed with the way they package these. Here's what one of the new seat cushion inserts looks like. Next, remove the seat cushion from the couch and unzip the back all the way open. Now you can remove the seat cushion insert. As you can see, I have a seam here, 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 and there's no seam here. Place the side that has no seam first into the cover and then work the cover up. I still can't believe how our 15-year-old couch feels like a brand new couch again, and we did this for under $200. It was also super easy to do. If you'd like more information on replacing your seat cushion inserts, then just look under the description in this video. I have no association with the company, and no one asked me to do this video. I hope you found this helpful. And if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky. Wait.